So, home gym day 2.0 because the snow is so bad and everything's still closed because the roads are still awful. We have back and buys today from the home gym. I hit chest and tris yesterday, chest, shoulders, and triceps yesterday from the home gym. Pretty solid lift. Felt strong, and yeah, I mean, it was pretty good. But yeah, so we're gonna lift again from the home gym today because we got a foot of snow here, which is just great, just fantastic. And as you can see, I mean, it's still cold. It's like negatives, so I mean, snow's not gonna go anywhere for a while. And the wind chill's like, there's like 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so it's pretty chilly. But the potion that we made up in there, the pre-workout, which has like caffeine, beta-alanine in it, we put liquid glycerol in this as well, and then we also just put our creatine in this. I usually take creatine post-workout. No specific reason why. I mean, there's been a few studies that show that like it helps boost recovery more if you take it post-workout, although it really doesn't matter too much. So I just put it in here just so I don't have to take it later, and I remember to take it now. So I just my thought process was, hey, might as well put it in here while we're mixing everything up. So just give it a sip. Honestly, the combination is pretty good. The glycerol flavor is watermelon, and then like a sour watermelon, and then the pre-workout flavor is blue raspberry. So it's actually pretty solid. So pretty good. Very good, actually. All right, I'm gonna sip on this, wait for it to kick in. While I do so, I'm gonna do some studying for some school. And then once I feel like I'm ready to go, we'll get to the lift. Plan for today's lift: preacher curls, of course. We're doing incline dumbbell curls. I'm doing pull downs. I'm doing also rows down here, which that's what the towel's for, so my butt isn't on the cold concrete. Rows down here feels pretty good. It'll also just give us an extra back workout, and I'm thinking I'll probably finish out just with barbell curls, and we'll also do some forearm work, like with the forearm curls on there. And then other than that, I think that's pretty much it for this. Might adjust this and then put some more weight on the dumbbells and then do like rows like that, but yeah. Don't fall. Over 100 grams of carbs and 76 grams of protein.